Hello everyone, how are you today? Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this YouTube video. I am doing a reveal, a design team project for Anna for her LaceBoutique1 Etsy. And these are digital collections and they are available and you can find them there. Okay. So, this is Denise Abate Smith. I am Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is what my mind came up with. So, I have a junk journal or flip album, memory book, whatever you like. You can pretty much do anything you want with a junk journal. It is a mini album. What I have here is one of Anna's digitals that I am using for the belly band. It is an envelope, and I will link Anna's LaceBoutique1 Etsy in the description box down below. And so anyway, I have used sari silk. I have used some kind of chartreuse color brads, and this opens up like so. And real quick, I will show you what I did with the belly band. I did use a stencil, this one here. It was in an inexpensive set from Amazon. Amazon is a good place to go to because you can get fast shipping if you have Prime. So anyway, you can journal on this, if you want. This is how it looks. And so I will just set that up over there. And I have gone through and printed up several of different pages from different collections in Anna's Google Drive that she hooked us up with, and anytime she has a new collection, she sends it there and we can browse through and print to our heart's content. And I love that you can almost use every single one of Anna's collections and mix them up depending on what your taste is. There's many shabby chic and Mexican collections or Spanish collections, however you prefer. I apologize if I am incorrect on how to say that correctly. So anyway, I have used fussy cut some of the images and used some ribbon. This is kind of a floating spine, I guess you call it. I'm not sure. Here's the back. This is butterflies and butterflies and blooms and butterflies and blooms. I'll link that down below. And so we have this here, and then you open it up. I have a fussy cut tag here, and then I have used some tab cutouts. These are all digitals from Anna's collections, and they are, like I said, available in the Etsy. And this is a flip, and I have used a tab cut apart for a tuck spot. I love this owl and the mushroom images. I fell in love with that when I saw that. I couldn't wait to play with it. And so you can come back here and open this up like so. And here I have one of Anna's tags. I left this, I'm using probably 100 weight pound cardstock, and I will try to get the description, a link for that paper that I used in the description box down below. Isn't this beautiful? I love the bird with the crown. And so here's this as well, from it's velvet or suede. It's just a really beautiful, soft, kind of a mauvey beige background, and I love those vintage images. And so there's an envelope that I have used. It is a tuck on this page here. This is the Botanicals collection, and then this opens up this way. I have turned this into a tuck on this side and a nice 3D pocket, big pocket on this side, so there's lots of room. I have used one of Anna's envelope digitals and turned it into a coin pocket that you could put ephemera or even a card. And I just love how this looks. And then here is just a fussy cut image from a ledger, or kind of a collection. I have turned, made, there was a strip, like a washi piece, and so I turned that into this paper clip and used this lace. So it's a paper clip. And then here's just to have some color there. And then you could journal in the background here. That was my thought for leaving that part blank. Okay, and so you turn that. Like I said, there's this tuck spot here with a tab cut apart. The envelope with some ephemera that you can journal on. How's everybody been? I am an administrator and moderator in Anna's LaceBoutique1 project sharing group. Come on over and join, and we would love to see some projects you're working on. Anna does leave, give us some freebies so you can participate, and it is a project sharing group, so you do not have to use Anna's digitals. You can post any project. It's a project sharing group. And so, but this is a journal that I've done for her as a design team member. So I have printed up from the Botanicals collection onto printer weight paper, and I did a double side and had a bit of a goof, so that's why it's upside down. But it's a junk journal, so it doesn't bother me at all. And then here's this beautiful mushroom image here. I have made this kind of thick tag here, and I left it. I liked the color of the craft paper, so for journaling you can do that. And then here's this butterfly that you can pop up if you like, and some little cut aparts that came with some of the page that printed up. Here's one of her hearts. Here's this emerald green spring background that looks kind of like a masterboard. I just love how it looks. And so that goes there. And I used washi, and it's not going anywhere. This is a very sturdy album. And then this opens up. Here's an envelope. On this, I left it as a flip, and you could journal on this card here. And then here's what I put in here. One of the pieces that was left over from cutting. You know, you can do a little journaling. I've included one of the tags, a butterfly or moth, however you like. Another little tag image that the recipient can do what they like. And then I just turn this into another journaling card. Love the mushroom images. And these all go back in the envelope. Like so. And then right here, I have this heavy, kind of a gray, mauve-y lace. And then here's this journaling spot here. I love the color, how Anna did the lines different colors. It's very happy and soothing. I just enjoy her collections very much. And then so here's this page. And I did use, so I have cats. I even have 2 new little guys that we rescued from our yard we found. And so I have fun little scratches all over from playing with them. Little boys, Wendell and Duncan. I adore them bunches. Anyway, so if you, and I have older cats. So the canned cat food, am I allowed to say Fancy Feast? So the box, when you buy a 12-pack or more, these are in between the different, you know, the cans. And they work out very well for like a light chipboard. It's like cereal weight. And so this is a cute little tuck with a flower cut apart image from another digital collection. And then here's this botanicals page here. I love the 90-cent image. Here's a tag from another collection, washi, and a little fussy cut image from one of her collections. And then here's the back. And then and here's the belly band. That was an envelope. And there we go. All right, thank you so much for watching this walkthrough or flip through of this gorgeous junk journal flip book that I made with Anna's Wonderland digitals, and they are available in her LaceBoutique1 Etsy store. Okay, so have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening, no matter, or depending on where you are, and no matter what time of day it is. I just want to say hello and have a wonderful, happy, crafty day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.